How to find collections on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find collections on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click this three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down here until you find save it, click on it and then click collections, and as you see here you can find your collections. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.